Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Drive is installed and signed into the Google account you plan to use. Once done, verify connectivity and grant storage and camera permissions so uploads work reliably. Now open the app and focus on the bottom right plus button. This is the entry point for new uploads, scans, folders, and Google Docs. Tap it to immediately add a file or create a document. This step gets you into the workflow, and it prevents permission prompts from interrupting later actions. Next, you'll upload and organize so you can find things fast. Tap plus then upload to choose from device storage or photos. Selecting multiple items saves time. Create a folder before or after uploading, and long press an item to select it. Then move it into folders or use drag where supported. Make files available offline if you need them without a connection. Also, open the File menu to rename, star, or change sharing settings. That's how you control access and sorting. Finally, complete your workflow by sharing and ensuring sync. Tap the three dots right arrow share to add people or copy a link, and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor so you control edits. Make sure backup and sync settings match your data preferences. Turn on Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile charges. If files don't sync, check available storage, confirm drive permissions, and try toggling airplane mode or signing out and back in. These steps clear stalled uploads and re-establish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.